In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for interior design, a step-by-step guide. We'll turn an AI chat into your design studio assistant from concept and finishes to layouts and layered lighting, while keeping everything clear, fast, and practical. Before you pick fabrics or paint, start by routing your task to the right performance tier using the model selection drop-down at the top of your chat window. Keep it on the instant tier when you need speed. It returns results in milliseconds and is perfect for quick lookups like standard clearance dimensions, converting blueprint scales, calculating rug to sofa ratios, or brainstorming alternative textile terms. Switch over to the thinking tier when you're shaping whole room ideas or solving complex problems. This deeper reasoning mode excels at tracking circulation patterns, balancing mixed color temperatures, or mapping raw material schedules for a client brief. Next, set the creative direction with a strong prompt so you don't get generic results. Paste this into the chat, replacing the bracketed parts with your details. Act as a principal interior architect, master color theorist, and luxury residential designer. I want to build a highly cohesive concept brief for a insert room type, featuring a insert style aesthetic. The space receives insert lighting direction. Provide a structured design profile detailing, a 4-color paint palette with exact hex codes, explicit material textures for primary upholstery, and recommended metallic or hardware finishes that complement the mood. This frames the brief, locks the mood, and yields usable specs. Now protect function with an ergonomic layout plan. Use. Act as an ergonomic space planner and interior layout designer. My room footprint measures, insert room dimensions, with a primary entry door on the south wall and a large window facing east. I want to furnish it with a insert key furniture pieces. Outline a spatial layout plan detailing the exact furniture placements to optimize traffic circulation paths, maximize natural light access, and establish a clear primary focal point. Include real measurements and door swings for accuracy. Finally, elevate the space with layered light and texture. Prompt, act as a professional lighting designer and textile specialist. Provide a comprehensive styling plan to inject warmth and structural depth into a insert room type. Outline exactly how to configure 3 distinct layers of light, ambient, task, and accent, using strategic fixtures, and specify a curated mix of 4 contrasting textiles to distribute across the furniture and window treatments to achieve a high-end layered look. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next